Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series. This is number 6, the engine fire extinguisher bottle. This is from the list of emergency equipment. The bottle itself and also the cartridge, and this is the chapter of maintenance manual or MRB, MPD. Okay, this is my YouTube. This is the figure for the bottle and the cartridge here. Here, the tasks for this component: remove engine fire extinguisher bottle. Why? For in shop, not in line. In shop. Why? You must make hydrostatic test and check pressure switch setting. This is for the bottle itself. But the second thing, discard the cartridge. I think that the interval is about 10 years, but don't agree me, but you must go to your maintenance program. Here the interval, according to the engine fire extinguisher bottles and cartridge part numbers, because many manufacturers, the engine fire extinguisher bottle CMM component maintenance manual, and the important source is the aircraft maintenance program. Okay, every time you must go to the maintenance program for intervals. The intervals and the action taken for the task. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.